I think the ability to make a space your own, I think it's our human right. I think that all starts at home. And giving someone that home and giving someone that chance to take a white box and make it into whatever color and whatever flavor is the best for them, I think that's the best gift, that you can get. My name is Darren Todd. I am an artist based out of Portland, Oregon. I do all kinds of art, digital illustration and animation and design, but the main thing that I do visually is making murals. I definitely think that my identity as a Black American and as a member of the LGBT community really informs my design choices, both in my practice, but in this room as well. First and foremost, this room is a sanctuary. It's a safe space, a safe haven, a home base. I want it to be calming and soothing and inviting and warm to create a sense of belonging. This project was an opportunity to have a longer sentenced conversation about what are some solutions that we can offer people who are transitioning from a position of houselessness into a position of having a shelter. Ultimately, I just wanted to design this room through the lens of someone who's coming home, maybe for the first time, and have an opportunity to have a voice and a say, not only in their environment, but in their life. Got lucky, I took a gamble, right? So my hope is that the people living in this space will feel, supported enough to begin inviting people in and start building a community, because that's when the real change happens.